Many beginners expect Google Ads to work instantly and quit too early when it doesn't. In this video, I show you how long Google Ads actually takes to work, what's normal, and what beginners should realistically expect. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and today I want to set realistic expectations because Google Ads can work very well, but only if you understand the timeline behind it. First, we have to clarify one thing. What does Google Ads working even mean? For beginners, working can mean getting clicks, getting leads or sales, seeing which keywords perform, or understanding where the money is going. Google Ads doesn't go from zero to perform instantly. It's very important that you know that Google Ads has a learning phase. When you launch a campaign, Google needs some time to learn. Google is learning which searches are relevant, which ads are getting clicked, which keywords convert, and which users are more likely to act. So this phase is normal and it's not a problem. We are directly inside Google Ads. Here you see a campaign. So you can see the impressions, the clicks, the costs and everything. But everything what you see here, like all the data, it doesn't appear magically on day one. So Google needs some traffic to learn. So it's very important that we don't have such a high expectations and we see it from a realistic view. So within the first 1 to 3 days, your ads are getting approved. You will see your first impressions and you maybe get your first clicks, but you cannot really judge the performance here. So as you can see, I set up a campaign here on the 5th of November, and within the first day, we got some clicks, but here the CPC was like very high. So at the beginning, as I said, you cannot really judge the performance. Google needs some time to test first what is working good. So what happens after 7 days? After like 7 days, more click data comes in. The first search term will appear in the search term report and the CTR starts forming. So this is still data collection and not optimization yet. Then after 2 to 4 weeks, some patterns become visible. So you can remove, for example, bad search terms. You can improve your ads and your keywords. So this is actually where Google Ads starts to work. So you have to understand that Google Ads doesn't technically work here at the beginning. It starts to work properly after some time. So maybe after, let's say, 1 month. And then after 1 to 2 months, you get a better quality score, you have a lower wasted ad spend, and you will get more consistent results. So this is actually where your performance will improve. So now we are in our search term report. The search term report shows the terms that people actively searched into Google. So here you find under campaigns, insights and reports, under search terms, you will find the report. So at the beginning, this report is empty. That's completely normal because you don't have any data. But after some time passes, the search term report will fill up and it will add all the search terms here. So then you can review all the search terms. You can add keywords which are relevant for you, for example, this one, but as well, you could exclude keywords which are not relevant for you. Let's say, for example, here on page 3, here we have excluded one keyword, which is a competitor. We put into the negative keywords. And once you add relevant search terms from the report as keywords, and once you set not relevant ones as a negative keyword, this is when optimization starts. To make it clear, why beginners often think that Google Ads doesn't work is because they're expecting immediate results, like within 1 or 2 days. They have too little data and they're stopping campaigns too early. And as well, they may be confused what is right or what is wrong, so they're changing too many things at once. So Google Ads really need consistency more than perfection. So instead of panicking when you don't see immediate results, you should check the search terms, pause irrelevant keywords, improve your ad copy, improve the landing page, and just be patient. Because optimization really beats impatience. So as a simple rule, I really can tell you that Google Ads doesn't reward speed. It rewards consistency and relevance. So if you stop too early, you will stop learning. As a quick recap, we have to be realistic. Google Ads doesn't work overnight. It usually needs a learning phase, which can take anywhere from, let's say, 1 to 4 weeks, sometimes even longer, depending on budget and data. The first 1 to 4 weeks, it's the learning phase. After, let's say, 3 to 4 weeks, normally the first optimization can start, and you will likely see performance in the second month. So you can't really say the learning phase ends after, let's say, 7 days, but when enough data is collected. And very important, the learning phase depends on your budget. If you have a very small budget, for example, let's say $20 or $30 a day, you might only get a few clicks, a few conversions. So Google takes longer to learn. During the learning time, it's extremely important not to constantly change the bidding strategy or mayor settings, because every big change can reset the learning phase actually. But if you give it time and improve everything step by step, Google Ads can actually work very well. If this video helped you to set realistic expectations for Google Ads, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description. Bye!